And for the ones that's going to come for me in the description box, the comment areas, come on, baby, come on. Because I'm in the process. 2021, I'm going to say something to you guys. I'm not going to block you. I'm gonna leave you on, and I'm gonna say what I have to say out in public too, so everybody can read my comments to you. So if you want to go tit for tat, I'm not gonna go tit for tat with you. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it, but I am gonna let you know that, hey, you can't come for me. Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and guys, I know I have been gone for a couple of weeks. I've explained it to you guys. I had my grandchildren, and I really haven't been feeling that well. I'm not feeling that well still, but I knew I had to go ahead and get some type of content out. So I threw on some concealer, and I said, well, let's go ahead and start this series. Okay guys, so you remember I told you that my husband gave me the full master bedroom closet, and he got the closet that used to be my makeup room, that when I did makeup for clients, and when I did my makeup, this was my makeup room. And then when I stopped doing makeup for the public and just do it for my family, when I started gathering stuff to decorate my home and decorate my bedroom, I started putting, some of that stuff in here. So I already moved some makeup, and I'm going to show you what we have left. I'm going to show you what some things are, and then we're going to do a organization video. We're going to go in the master bedroom closet, and we're going to just concentrate on the business slash like work area side, and then we'll focus on the clothing side a little bit later on. So I'm going to turn you around, and I'm going to talk you through. And remember, guys, I told you I'm changing things around. So don't come for me about the room, because like I said, I already been tearing it apart, and you'll see that. Okay guys, so this is what we're working with. As you can see, I already started moving my husband's stuff over here in this closet, and we got some more of his stuff here, and military stuff right there that has to go in here. And this was my wraparound desk, but I'm going to get rid of it. I have a different desk that's going in the closet there, and I have this is my smallest Mac, iMac, I don't know what you call them, Mac computers or Apple computers or whatever. And that one goes into my office. And then I have a larger one that I keep out in my sitting area, and I'm gonna use that like for the grandchildren to watch YouTube and videos and stuff like that one. So as you can see, I have pillows in here. All those pillows are going in my room, either on my bed or the day bed, or like up here as well. And that bag, I think, is like a rug or some type of thing. And so behind all those pillows are some more makeup, and I have some more makeup stuff right here. So what we're going to do is, and I'm not even going to use these anymore in the room. I have to figure out where I am going to use them at. I may try to put them in the office or somewhere, but these are lanterns, and I'm not putting green in there anymore. And then again, I may still use it, I don't know. And yeah, so yeah. So guys, I am going to go ahead and take some more stuff back, and then I will bring you guys back in when we get to the closet. So all right, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here's where we're at. I still got some of his clothes, his hats and stuff, and the makeup. So that's what we're going to concentrate on today. I'm going to do as much as I can, and then I'm going to go ahead and get this video out, the first series out. So I'm not going to worry about what's over this way, because that's where the clothes and stuff are at. And when I mean to tell you, I just threw stuff over there to get stuff out the way. I just threw stuff over here to get it out the way. And I don't care. You know what? I don't care, because I'm moving around in my home and I'm changing stuff around. So I don't expect everything to be peaches and cream when you're in the process of doing stuff. So with that being said, you're my family, and for the ones that's going to come for me in the description box, I mean the comment areas, come on baby, come on. Because I'm in the process 2021, I'm going to say something to you guys. I'm not going to block you. I'm gonna leave you on, and I'm gonna say what I have to say out in public too, so everybody can read my comments to you. I'm going to show you guys this side. Okay, so these are, let me step back so you can see good. All right, so this is my clothing side. I have like my designer bags that go all the way up to here, and then I have my designer bags that's all out over here in this area. And this right here has, the reason why it looks like it's so high is because I got mad one night, and you see that thing right there, it was one right there, and I just ripped it out the wall. And so that's what's right there. This clothes are sitting on it, and this is like my birthday clothes, my Fashion Nova, my Sheen clothes, and all that kind of stuff that is brand new. So this side right here I'm going to do later. I'm going to color coordinate. I'm going to get rid of some stuff. I'm going to sell some stuff up on Facebook Market. I have a lot of clothes that still have tags, and yes, I can still wear them. I just don't go anywhere anymore. I'm in the house 99% of the time, and the other 1% I'm out at the doctor's office or something. So anywho, so that's where we're at on this side. So let's come back over here where we're going to be concentrating. So today I am going to try to get the majority of my makeup. I know this one right here can't go up there, can't go anywhere. So it's going to have to stay on the desk, because this towel won't fit up there or on either one of these shelves. So we're going to try to get all of these up, all of these right here up, and we're going to try to get some fingernail polish stuff up, some palettes. But I doubt if I'll be able to do all that. This stuff right here is my husband, so it has to go. It has to go in his closet, and I'm going to do that once I get the rest of my stuff out. And guys, this is my desk. It's 65 1/4 inch long, and that will give you some idea how long the closet is, because it's almost touching over here. But you got a whole big side right here, and then you got from here, like, it's like a big closet. It's another bedroom pretty much. And I have a vision of how I want to move everything in here. I have to take these little stud things out the wall from where I ripped the thing out the wall. I got the paint in here. I got the decorate in here. I got a Queen Anne chair that's going to go over here, and I'm putting a little table right there, and I'm going to probably have a full-length mirror right there. And it's just a lot of little things that I want to do, and it's so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So today I am getting ready to try to go ahead and like I said, now I'm gonna prop y'all up and put you on the camera thing, and I'm going to, you know, just fast forward, and I may come in every once in a while and say something to you guys and give you an opportunity to weigh in on different things. I'm not going to weigh my my desk down because it's going to be like multi-duty. It's going to be for me to do my DIYs on. It's going to be for me to edit. It's going to be used for a lot, and I don't want, you know, clutter everywhere. I'm not, despite what I have right now in my closet, I don't like clutter. And despite what I have going on in my bedroom, because I'm decorating a little bit at a time. So this whole side of the house, so the whole master suite, the sitting area, the actual main area, the bathroom, the master closet, all that right now is a disaster zone. And okay guys, so here we go. Hooter. That right there, that hoo, that was when I was living in the projects when I first moved out, and all the like drug dealers used to sell drugs like right by my house, or pretty much right outside my door, sort of like. And I was a safe zone. I was in school for criminal justice, and I was in class with a lot of the police officers of the city. And so I would get a little bit of firsthand about when they were going to have raids and stuff. And when the police, you know, because you have drug dealers that's posted on different corners of the projects. And so when one see a police officer come in, they would go, hoo-de-hoo, hoo-de-hoo. And then so the person that would hear them would say, hoo-de-hoo, hoo-de-hoo. And it would just go all the way around. And that meant the police is here, you know, like, you know, do this, do that. And so one of the young little drug dealers, he loved bananas. And he will always say, give me some bananas when you go to the grocery store. And I'll say, okay. So I buy him some bananas. And my son liked the bananas as well, but you know, I try to keep my son away from that. So when he would get his hoo-de-hoo, he would come into my house, and he would stash his gun, his cash, his product, and you know, he'd eat him a couple of bananas, and then it would be another hoo-de-hoo, and he'll come out because he know that, you know, the man is gone. And so and then it was so funny because my classmates who are police officers would stop by and visit me, you know, and talk to me. And I got all this product and guns and stuff like that in my home. And I guess it was just I don't know, you know, a little bit of the streets that is in me. And um I that time I was in that time I thought it was, you know, nice, but now I know it was stupid of me to do that, you know. But God watches over babies and fools, and I was a fool at that time. So you know, he watched over me and kept me and made sure, you know, that I had a good life, and that my son grew up without ever going to jail or anything to that nature. So with that being said, guys, I am going to close out. I know it wasn't a whole lot, but I just wanted to get something to you guys and talk with you guys a little bit and try to get up and move around some. And thought maybe I would feel better, but actually I don't. So I'm going to figure some other ways to package somewhat more of this makeup. So guys, I hope this right here wasn't too like boring for you guys. I know a lot of you guys want me to start doing home decor, organization, different things like that, and that's what I'm trying to do. So the first step to that is to organize my master bedroom closet / office / work area, and you know, when I get to the decorative part, I think that's going to be more the fun part for you guys, because I'm going to do a polls on Instagram. Should I put this here or should I put that there? And so, yeah. So I'm excited about this project, and I hope you guys can get excited for me as well. And so, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And I will see you in the next video.